Hello everyone and aviation geeks. Today we'll be flying Southwest Airlines on a transcontinental flight from Orlando to the beautiful city of Salt Lake City, Utah. Join us to fly this transcontinental flight. Our day started at the Orlando International Airport, where it was incredibly busy but also really enjoyable to see. As you enter the airport, you see shops such as Disney and SeaWorld, which are some of the amusement parks in Orlando. And if you want to see it before you leave for your flight, you can go there to collect some souvenirs to remember your experience in Orlando. Riding on the train to connect to Terminal A from the main landside terminal, which is Terminal C, takes about 5 to 10 minutes. But on the train, you get to see some really cool views of the action in Orlando. If you're an av geek, this is something you like to do.
When the airplane stops, please exit for gates 100 through 129.
Southwest Airlines is one of the biggest airlines in Orlando. In fact, they have a focus city in one of their big hubs in the state of Florida and in their network. They've been serving Orlando since 1996 with the classic Boeing 737-200 and 737-300 models. Nowadays, they fly the Boeing 737-800, 700, and the 737 MAX 8 to Orlando from their different destinations in the United States and in the Caribbean.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. From the June front like we're flight 176 Super Salt Lake City. It's about a 4 hour and 15-minute flight for takeoff to touchdown at a cruising altitude of 36,000 feet. Overall, we're going to
here. We've taken our fanny packs and put them across our chest. On the max. Take it off. Around your waist, take it off. Across your chest, take it off. Anything that is not clothing that has a strip, that happens, reach up, grab the LMS, pull it down the full extent of the plastic tubing. That activates your flow of oxygen. If you're wearing a face mask, take it off. Put the yellow mask over your nose and mouth, secure with the elastic strap. Sit back in your chair and just breathe normally. Although that oxygen's flowing, the plastic bag probably is not going to inflate. Continue wearing it until we tell you otherwise. If you're traveling with someone needing assistance, you put yours on first, then offer up that assistance. Folks, it's a 4-day flight to Salt Lake, so when I tell you it's only 4 hours, that sounds better, right? 4 hours and 14 minutes to get to 77-degree weather. I wish we could do it in an hour. We're here for your comfort, mainly for your safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to your flight attendants. We're going to turn off our cabin lighting at this time. If you need a reading lamp, look above your head, push that button of a light bulb, and that reading light will come on. You guys enjoy your flight.
All right, let's go and see, guys.
Thereafter, I pulled out the tray table, enjoyed it with some chips and V8 drink, and enjoying these beautiful views of the outside world. After takeoff passed, the cabin crew members soon passed out the in-flight service. For snacks, they gave out the Southwest Snack Mix, which contains pretzels with cheese crackers and also some dried chocolate chips. Both really delicious and really good on this transcontinental flight as we continued west. central part of the flight, my phone died, and unfortunately, we were not able to see the beautiful Colorado Rockies or Utah. But it is what it is. We'll see it on the way back. Orlando to Salt Lake City on Southwest Airlines is a summer seasonal route. They serve this during the summer season of the year from May to August. This route is usually served from a 737-800, but sometimes you'll get the unusual 737-700 and on the 737 MAX 8. However, it depends on the demand and load factor on this route. This route from Orlando to Salt Lake City connects passengers from ski resorts to the warm and beautiful scenery in Florida, or to escape the hot weather from Florida to go to the beautiful mountains of Utah and enjoy the mountains and scenery. As time passed, it was soon after time to land in Salt Lake City. With that flight concluded, me and my family spent about a week and a half in Utah. In Utah, we went to go see the Rocky Mountains / Wasatch Mountains of the Salt Lake Valley, going to Salt Lake City on a tour, and going to see the beautiful and wonderful orange Bryce Canyon National Park in southern Utah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Southwest Airlines. I personally really enjoyed the trip report, even though we weren't able to see the Colorado Rockies or Utah, but we were able to see the Great Plains of Oklahoma, Kansas, and Colorado, and sharing the information about this route. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care and have a wonderful day with your family. Bye bye. Peace out.